What happens if we discover the universe has always existed? Because it might have. We know there's a thing called the Big Bang, but it might have been something that happened in a pre-existing universe. Maybe that's eternal. What does that mean for your sort of picture of a creator?
Our current understanding of a timeless universe challenges our assumptions about when everything started. The Big Bang Theory, which scientists used to believe created everything, serves as one part of an interminable cosmic history. A terrifying, incomprehensible existence would have preceded this gigantic explosion. Such a concept transforms the way we perceive both creation and what exists in the universe. Physicist Brian Cox introduces mind-boggling theories along with ancient cosmology findings which reveal that modern physics shows a universe without any clear beginning or ending point. According to the standard model of cosmology, a singular point of infinite density referred to as a singularity existed approximately 13.8 billion years ago. A singularity developed into everything we witness today through the Big Bang expansion, which occurred in less than a second. Through this moment, all galaxies started to form together with the planets and stars and eventually served as the origin for life itself. Scientific theories about modern physics lack sufficient evidence to describe the circumstances preceding the Big Bang. The singular point requires general relativity to fail, which quantum mechanics cannot resolve because of its extreme nature. Such empty space generates opportunities for alternative explanations to exist. According to Brian Cox, science demonstrates that the universe could function without a beginning since it extends toward both infinite past and future. The idea matches multiple advanced theories related to cosmology. The cyclic universe theory presents an endless sequence of expansion followed by contraction as one possible explanation of the universe. According to this model, the Big Bang occurred after an infinite number of Big Bang events, thus making it part of a recurring pattern. During these cycles, the universe achieves its maximum dimensions while expanding until the point when it collapses into a single singularity before another Big Bang happens. Our reality predates the current universe manifestation through unknown yet vast states. What existed in the previous cycle? Could there have been life, entire civilizations, or something ancient and incomprehensible? The concept of quantum fluctuations serves as one of the many interesting ideas that Brian Cox analyzes. On the contrary to current ideas about emptiness, space might exist as the quantum vacuum state. The almost empty vacuum contains multiple quantum components such as virtual particles and ghost-like universes together with quantum energy. According to eternal inflation, our universe is one of an infinite number of timeless bubbles that form in an eternal multiverse. Could our universe have emerged from the collapse of a previous one or spawned from another dimension entirely? These concepts raise deep philosophical questions. If time never started, does that mean everything that has ever happened was inevitable? Could there be memories of past universes encoded into the fabric of reality? If the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, what is the ultimate fate of existence? These ideas challenge our basic assumptions about reality, causing us to rethink what existence really means. The theory of an infinite universe exists as a dated concept. Throughout ancient history, various civilizations developed their own beliefs about universe cycles that repeated endlessly. The Hindu faith presents a big cyclic pattern for the universe which moves from its initial creation through a period of existence before concluding with destruction. The elimination process transitions into another cosmic creation that gives birth to a new universe. Shiva demonstrates the endless universe cycle through his cosmic dance movements, which resembles modern theories about cyclical cosmos. Throughout Mayan civilization history, their worldview integrated multiple world ages where destructive events led to new creations. According to some legend records, there existed another distant past society that vanished without a trace before this modern era. Through the teachings of philosopher Pythagoras, the Greeks asserted that the universe would persist in infinite cycles of repetition. Every point in history exists both in present and in future timeline. The time cycle stretches from before the Big Bang across into what may exist after the end of everything. According to Brian Cox's view, the Big Bang event did not create everything since it occurred between two universes. Our reality may be involved in an infinite cyclic pattern of cosmic evolution since past universe remnants persist throughout space-time. Science shows that black holes together with dark matter and mysterious cosmic signals potentially contain remnants from an earlier universe. Scientific evidence supports these theories. Scientists have identified weird phenomena throughout the cosmic structures which point toward abandoned remnants from another universe still existing today. The cosmic microwave background stands as the earliest detectable light which emerged during the Big Bang. During CMB mapping processes, scientists discovered a substantial unaccounted-for cold spot in space. Scientists identify this huge cold temperature spot as something that should not be random and fails to match existing universe models. Some scientists, including Roger Penrose, believe it may be a scar from a previous universe, the leftover imprint of black holes from a past cosmic cycle. Could this be the first real proof that something existed before the Big Bang? According to Stephen Hawking, black holes vanish in infinity through the process of Hawking radiation. Several black holes from a preceding universe should have endured its implosion to stay active across our current universe. The ancient black holes store past universe information behind their event horizons. Through analyzing this information, we might discover the conditions that existed before the Big Bang occurred. The 2015 announcement of gravitational waves revealed time-space ripples which result from colossal cosmic occurrences. Several physicists maintain that specific gravitational waves may function as the reverberations from the time preceding the Big Bang. Some residual energy from an earlier universe emanated across when it sparked our universe into existence. The detections of gravitational echoes provide our best chance to understand what occurred before the universal beginning. The theoretical models within quantum physics present interesting theories which address the beginnings of everything. Quantum mechanics directs the operation of universe matter at the most minute levels. Quantum vacuum fluctuations supposedly produced a sudden emergence of the universe according to scientific theory. The appearance of virtual particles together with energy makes empty space more complicated than just empty, since these particles continually emerge within it. Scientists advocate the idea that quantum vacuum fluctuations served as the origin of our entire universe, which prevents the need for creation since the entire universe evolved from quantum mechanics. Does eternal quantum fluctuation imply an endless series of universe creation? Have multiple universes been produced through an unending chain of previous ones? According to the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, every possible event outcome generates a new universe. The discovery under study implies that multiple parallel timelines exist in the universe which vary from each other. The series of timelines extends further than our reality because some of them potentially predates our universe and create an extensive infinite network of parallel universes. One among countless realms makes up the endless repeating multiverse in which our reality exists. According to holographic theory, reality functions as a hologram because all three-dimensional space exists as two-dimensional codes. The horrific theory emerges when holographic principles show our reality as an image from an existing deeper universe which transcends time. Does older universe information exist embedded in the fundamental elements of our reality? Through his theories, Brian Cox transforms how we view physics, leading us to analyze the purpose of our existence. The absence of a true time origin changes our perspectives on everything from reality basics to supernatural concepts in the cosmos. Albert Einstein, along with other physicists, maintains time exists differently from how humans perceive it. Relativity theory establishes time as an equal dimension to space because it connects present and past with future in a single universal framework. According to this understanding, the Big Bang occurs simultaneously with our current era at a different section of space-time. We cannot sense the reality that existed before the Big Bang because it might currently exist at our perception limit. The passing universe exists elsewhere according to what could be the true explanation for its disappearance. Other philosophers would contend that the universe is greater than a collection of matter and is itself an intelligent, conscious system. Consciousness does not have to only be contained within our minds, but could also be integrated into the fabric of reality itself. If there had been a prior universe, then perhaps it did pass on knowledge, intelligence, or even memory. If so, then the universe itself could be a conscious being developing through infinite cycles of creation and destruction. As mentioned above, there are a number of ancient civilizations which believed in an eternal universe. The Egyptian belief in Zep Tepi is one in which there was a time before written time when the universe was some other form of existence, a time of chaos resulting in the establishment of order. Remnants of Zep Tepi could even exist today, concealed. The Norse Ragnarok and cosmological rebirth legend also fall into the cyclical universe models of current cosmology. Thank you for watching this video.